Good afternoon, guys. How are you today? You good?
Good.
Yep.
That's good. You've chosen the video flight today. You can see yourselves on the screen, so if you'd like to wave hello to the camera.
Hi.
Alright, we're off. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, okay?
Yep.
If you need anything to hold to them, you can hold to the handle up there. And two in the back, you can hold to the bar across the back of the seat. Please don't touch your doors, guys.
Oh.
Alrighty guys, so we'll be cutting through the Apostles about 3 quarters away. And we're going to have a drive them out to our left hand side here. And just a couple out to the right. Look at that, it's pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yep. Awesome.
There was a 7 out to the left and then just the remaining 2 here to our right. And coming up our right, this big one hit the ground top, that's the very last Apostle. So from this point on, all the Apostles are back behind us. So coming up our right hand side, we have the Twin Sisters, followed by the Salt Pepper Shaker. That long thin one there is called the Razorback. And coming up our right hand side here we have the Lockhart Gorge. If you guys get the chance to go today, it's very nice. You can walk down to that really pretty beach. You can also walk out to all these viewing platforms, which are out here. And to our right there, which is the Blowhole and Thunder Cave. And down to our right hand side here we have the Baker's Oven, which is this little island. They got that name because you can see there's a cave that runs through the centre of it, and that's meant to resemble an old-fashioned wood-fired oven. And once again to our left hand side there we have the Lockhart Gorge. After that, once again we have the Razorback, followed by the Salt Pepper Shaker and the Twin Sisters. So just move that slightly close to your mouth.
So where's the Apostle that taps?
So this big one here is the very first one. So clean that one, it's the 9 remaining rock stacks ahead of us.
Okay.
And the last one that fell down was back in 2005. And it's coming up on our left hand side, it's just a polar bubble on the shoreline.
So 3 of them.
And yeah, that polar bubble just down there, that remains the last one that fell down.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
If you guys want to get down to the beach today, you can. By the staircase down here called Kids and Steps. And it allows you to get close to those first two big ones just there. As we cross the coast here, guys, all the apostles will be out to our left hand side. Makes for that iconic postcard photo. Well guys, hope you enjoyed your flight today. And once you've landed, just remain seated. One of our staff members will come and let you out, okay? There we are. If you guys would like to wave goodbye to the camera, and have a good rest of your afternoon.
Thanks.
Bye bye.